Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naresh Chaurasia and in this video we are going to look at how to create Angular project. So let's get started. This is official website of Angular framework. You can visit this website to find more details about the Angular framework. Now in order to create the Angular project, I'm going to execute various commands. You can find all the commands here in this. I'll be sharing this link in the description of this video that you're watching. So let's get started. Now let's go through this particular link step by step and create our Angular project. So as you can see that it has a prerequisites. The first one being that you have to install Node.js. You can download the Node.js from this particular link here and install Node.js. Now npm, which is Node Package Manager, it is included with Node.js, meaning that once you install Node.js, you will also have Node Package Manager available to you. The second prerequisite is you should have Angular CLI also installed. Now we will use this command, as you can see here, to install the Angular CLI. npm is nothing but Node Package Manager, which I just explained to you here, which got installed as a part of installation of Node.js. So this particular command which I have highlighted will install the Angular CLI for you. So with this we have our prerequisites covered. Now let's move on to actually creating the Angular project. So in my case I'm using MacBook and therefore I'll be opening a terminal, but in case if you have Windows machine you can open a command prompt. So let me bring up my terminal. So this is my terminal. Let me clear this first. If I say pwd, that is present working directory. In my case I'm going to create the Angular project in this particular location, but you can choose any location that you want. So let us go back to the list of commands that we have to execute. It is the first command is ng new project. So let's type this command ng new, and project is the name of the project. Instead of giving project 1, I'm going to call it my first project. Now ng is a command which comes with the Angular CLI. New is a keyword and this is the name of the project. So basically what we are saying is, or rather what we are doing is that we are giving this command or executing this command to create a new Angular project. So let me hit enter. Now here as you can see that I have an option to choose between various style sheet format. I can use up and down arrow key to choose between different options. I'm going down, I can go up. In this particular case, I leave the option at CSS and hit enter. Now, next question is, do you want to enable server-side rendering and static site generation? For the time being, I'll keep it as no. We'll cover more details in the further discussions. But for now, I'm going to keep it as no. I'll hit enter. So it has started creating project, as you can see, and it is installing some packages for us. Again, this might take a little while depending upon your internet speed and the configuration and speed of your machine. So let's wait for a little while. So as you can see that we get this message, package installed successfully. Now let's go back to the link and look at the next command that we have to execute. Now we say cd, that is change to that project, or rather go inside that project. So what I'm going to do, I'll say cd my and I'll hit tab and I'll hit enter. So now I'm within that particular project which I had created by the name my first project. So this is the command which we have executed. Now next command that we'll execute is ng-serve. What this will do is this will start a development server, and you can view the Angular application by opening a web browser by navigating to this particular link. So let me first execute this command ng-serve. So basically we are trying to serve the application via the browser. So I'll say ng-serve and I'll hit enter. So when you run this for the first time, you will see the following message. You can read this message and decide whether you want to choose yes or no. In my case, I'm going to choose no, and I'll hit enter. And then you can see that the project is up and running. Now I'll copy this particular link and I'll open a browser. I'll open a new tab here and I'll paste that URL and hit enter. So that's it. We have got our first Angular project up and running. That's all in this video. I'll be covering more topics on Angular framework in my upcoming videos. Thank you.